Wow, this might just be the longest Xiaomi phone box I've ever unboxed. Oh my god, it's so long. Hey, what's up everybody, Sam here. Today we are checking out the Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro, co-engineered with Leica, Xiaomi HyperOS. Let's check out. So, wow, so we have some, yeah, this is very different from the previous Xiaomi packaging. An insert that comes with some paperwork, a pen, and a hard, transparent case. Compared to those softer one, this one won't turn yellow after long time use. And then the phone, Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro. Let's just, put on the case. Ooh, see? Not bad, right? Looks like a kind of refined, elegant, perfect for girls. Okay, but we'll take a look at it later. Also, we have the 67 watts charger and a Type A to Type C cable, and that's everything, including the box. Let's move to the phone. First, let's take a look at the design. I think it's not a very typical Xiaomi phone design, right? Because of course they have to target the female user group, so they have to make some changes. Let's see, like at the back you see this arc shift, like base station, right? When you switch to different angles, you can see the kind of shiny things, like a makeup box, just like a decorative piece, not like on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra with that gigantic one. They also have different colors, like this pink one. I guess my wife would love this. Also this, like this kind of gray one. I think those who favor tech. And this, how to say that, it's like a coffee color, right? So which color do you prefer most? Just let me know in the comments. I think they also have a white version, but yeah, it's let me just show you a little bit later. Anyway, let me walk you through the overall designs. On top, seems like they don't have that infrared blaster, right? The antenna bands. On the right side, we got the volume rocker and this power key. And then move to the bottom, we have the Type-C speaker and SIM card slot, and nothing on the left side. And that's basically the design, overall design. And you have to know this middle frame is made of like metal, so feels like really premium. Feels and looks premium, what do you say? And since this is like more for female users, it adopts this kind of dual front-facing camera. All right, guys, let's just jump directly to the camera test. Since this is what this phone all about, right? All right, so this is the selfie camera, and as you can see, it supports like 3 focal length, like ultra wide. I think this is ultra wide, so you can include as many as possible. Let me just take a photo and see where my face, be distorted or not. Okay, we'll check the photo a bit later. And this is the main and the 2 times. Oh, now my head looks like a gigantic now. Oh, as you can see, my face looks so smooth, right? So smooth. And to be honest, I'm not a big fan of that. So you can click that button, and then you can see the beauty. Adjust the beauty here. You can, if you don't like any beauty, just put original. Oh no, and beauty, smooth. You can also adjust the degree of it. Ooh, looks like a, I don't know, it's like a monster or something, because I really don't like that. Okay, and tone, contour, makeup, slender. Shit, heck, I don't even know what the slender mean. Okay, everything, meaning every part of your face, it can be adjusted here. Okay, to any degree. You can choose whatever you want. And also the style, like a film, sky blue, slouch, sunny. Wow, there's so many. Also filters, original, cream, fresh, nature, pure, classic. Okay, that's it. Okay, I just prefer like not adding any beautiful. But I know too many girls, especially girls from Asian countries, that just prefer this. Like they have to adjust, everything. But I prefer not. So let's just do a normal one. Okay, not bad, right? Wow. To give you this kind of really natural bouquet, like between the edges, between your hair and the background. Not bad, right? Let's check the video. 4K. Wow. Oh my god, it's supposed to 4K 60. So 4K 60, 4K 60. The front. Okay, the front camera, how it looks. 4K 60 outdoors. Okay. Let's check. Okay. All right. And now let's talk about the rear camera. So ultra wide, 2.4. It's supposed all the way up to like 15 times. I can see Oppo Reno 14 series. I can see a little bit clear, I guess. Yeah, but 15 times. But come on, this is like mainly for selfies, right? 4K 60, also 4K 60. 4K 60 back camera. For a 60 back camera, how is it? Is it good? Seems really shaky. let's just take some photos. So that is the Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro. What do you think about it? Stylish, premium, and clearly built to impress. I really like the high-end finish, slim bezels, curved screen, and the selfie features with triple focal length. Clearly designed with the female users in mind. From the shiny makeup box-like camera module to the elegant gift box packaging. And if you are interested in getting the Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro, please check the link from my friend's website. It's top or down below. Thanks for watching, Samuel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.